Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add someone on WhatsApp. Before we jump to the step-by-step tutorial, it should be noted that you must have the person's contact number with you if you want to add him or her on your WhatsApp. Here, we're going to get through the detailed process of how to add someone on WhatsApp. Please ensure that your Android or iOS device is connected firmly with a high-speed internet network. For instance, a Wi-Fi. The phone number of the respective contact must be registered over WhatsApp, or else it won't be visible on your WhatsApp contact list. Now, how to add someone on WhatsApp? Step 1. Add the respective contact to your contact list. Keep the phone number of the contact that you wish to add on WhatsApp handy with you and launch WhatsApp over your device. Hit on the chat icon available over the right button of your screen. Then, hit on the New Contact option. You'll now be redirected to Create New Account screen. Add the necessary details, name and phone number, and push Save. Alternatively, you can also add the respective contact to your contact list via the contact apps of your device. Launch contacts and hit on the plus or new icon at the bottom. Then, add the necessary details, name and phone number over the Create New Contact screen. Hit Save afterward. Now refresh WhatsApp contact list. You need to launch the WhatsApp over your device again, followed by tapping the chat icon. Then hit on the three vertical dots over right top of your screen and opt for the refresh option. WhatsApp will now establish the sync between your contact and its database. Within a short while, the added contact will show up on your contact list. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.